Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to discuss about exercise 2.4. In that first bit that we are going to discuss. Okay, in the first bit, what we are asked to find out, we are asked to find out value of x, where we have provided an diagram in which line L and line M are given as a parallel, and we are asked to find out these two value of x by using these angles. Now, if we consider this diagram, and if I redraw this diagram in this manner, if I redraw this diagram in this manner, we can write or else we can draw it like this, and we can take this angle as a 2x plus 15, and this angle we can consider as an 3x minus 10 degrees, and where this is line L, this is line M, and this is a transversal P. And we already learned about conditions of parallelism. When two parallel lines are intersected by the transversal, then so formed alternate exterior angles are equal. And if you observe these two are alternate sides to the transversal, so these are alternate exterior angles. So then these two angles are equal. Let me write that. If two parallel lines are intersected by transversal, so formed alternate exterior angles are by using this, we can write that this 2x plus 5 is equals to, so 2x plus 15 is equals to 3x minus 10. Okay, now here we have a variable on the both side of an equation. Here we have variable as a 2x, and RHS variable is what, 3x, where 2x is smaller than the 3x. So I'm going to transpose this 2x to other hand of the equation. In the same manner, I'm transposing this constant term as a minus 10. If I transpose to other hand, it becomes a plus 10. This can be written as 15 plus 10 is equals to 3x minus 2x. From this, we get x value as a 25. We got the value of x as a 25.